Okay, let's do chord spacing. Between chord 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. And between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, and C. Okay, so let's begin on that. The way I'm going to start it out, and this is my case, I'm going to pull the chords out through the center, out through B. In your case, I think from the hit you would actually get this. Okay, so this is going to be like our accent chord, and here's our weaving. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our right accent chord. We're going to go over the chord. We're going to grab our right weaving chord. We're going to go down, over and down B, and then out through the loop on the right. Okay, then we tighten and push it up. This is the first knot. Okay, we're going to grab our second chord. We're going to go over the core. We're going to go over the chord from the left, down through B, and then out through the loop on the left. Then we're going to tighten. Now these chords are supposed to be crossed, which was my mistake the first time. So right now they are crossed. Okay, so the first thing we do is grab our accent chord again on the right side. We're going to go down C and out to the right. Okay, we're going to grab our right weaving chord. We're going to go down C over the chord, and we're going to come out B, but on the right side of the chord which we're going over. Okay, now we tighten up. Okay, let's push it up. Okay, we're going to go now with our left side. We're going to go down through A chord. Now we're going to grab, no, this is our accent chord. Now we're going to grab our weaving chord. We're going to go down A over that chord, out through B to the left of the weaving chord. Now we're going to tighten up. That's going to start giving us that sharp bone look. First one won't look, I think, so good. Okay, now we have our top chords. We're going to move this one to the right and this one to the left. Let's do a couple of knots. Right, so we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go over the core and to the left. We're going to grab our right weaving chord. We're going to go down B and out through the loop on the right. And we're going to tighten up. Push it up. Okay. Now we're going to grab our left weaving chord. We're going to go over the core. Don't let this one interfere. Okay, like that. Now we're going to go down B and then out through the loop on the left. And remember, the left side should be on top of the one on the right. Okay, now once again, our right accent chord, we're going to go down C and to the right. We're going to grab our right weaving chord. I'm going to go down C, over that chord, out through B, and to the right of the accent chord. Now we're going to tighten up. And there we go. Now the sharp jawbone look is starting to happen. Right. Grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down A. We're going to grab our left weaving chord. We're going to go down A, over that chord, and out through B to the left of the accent chord. And now we start tightening again. I'll make sure that chord is straight when we pull. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get this to the left, and let's do one more. Okay, we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go over the core to the left. We're going to grab our right weaving chord. We're going to go over that chord, down through B, and out through the loop on the right. Okay, let's tighten it up. And remember, this is our crossing. So just make sure it's not in the way. Right, so we grab our left accent chord. We're going to go over the core. Now we're going to grab our left weaving chord. We're going to go over that one, down through B, and out through the loop on the left. And we start tightening. Okay, they're crossed over. Now we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go down C and to the right. We're going to grab our right weaving chord. We're going to go down C, out through B, and once again to the right of the accent chord. And then we start tightening. Okay, we'll push that up. I'm going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down A and to the left. Okay, we're going to grab our left weaving chord. We're going to go over that chord, down A, out through B, to the left of the accent chord. And then we'll tighten up. All right, that's it. Take it down to the end and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so I finished our bracelet and it looks really good. I actually like both sides. That side looks pretty nice. So I might consider reversing it, or I'm going to try to make this bracelet where I could use it on both sides.